Creating a thesis from scratch isn't the easiest process. Not only do you have to catch the eye of the reader, but you also need to set a clear argument that the reader won't forget. In those moments, we know that a push to start can be helpful. That's what we're going to be talking about today. Hi, I'm Florencia from Gradehacker, the non-traditional student #1 resource. We help and support students to succeed in their academic process. So if you're stuck for ideas when it comes to writing a thesis, no worries. Here are the best thesis generator apps. But first, a quick recap on how to write a solid thesis statement. First, choose a topic that is interesting to you, original, specific, and possible to research. Second, do as much research as you can and gather all the possible sources. And third, summarize your argument and include your main statements. It's pretty much this. Doesn't look that hard, and you can even understand it better with our 2-minute tutorial. But trust us, it can get tricky. And for those moments, one app you can use is the Thesis Generator from the University of Arizona, which was created to write well-structured and impactful statements. It takes 6 steps to use it. First, state your topic with an essential idea for your thesis. This should be a few words, because in the second step, you'll need to get into more details on what you're trying to prove by supporting one major idea with facts and reasons. You'll repeat this part for the third, fourth, and fifth steps while adding more information and different evidence to support your thesis. And the final step is to write a point of view that contradicts your main idea. The application then analyzes everything and generates a well-crafted statement. Another option you should consider is Kibin Thesis Builder. They provide a step-by-step guidance to create a strong and effective thesis statement. When you enter their website, the first thing you need to do is to select if you want an argumentative or a compare and contrast essay. You can also search examples on their website by simply clicking on the I'm writing a different type of essay option. Then you'll fill up information about the topic, your stance and claims, and you'll have the results right away. We recommend using this thesis generator to find ideas, brainstorm, and get creative. Now, if you're looking for a thesis generator that includes plagiarism checker and text improver, then you should check Paraphrasing Tool AI. To use it, you'll have to put information about the thesis while avoiding using periods and symbols like full stops in your answers. Once you're done, you can press the Start button to generate the statement. The tool will give you results that you can copy and use anywhere you want. This app will allow you to experiment with different wording, structure, and style options to refine your statement and make it more impactful. Now, are you looking for an app that is easy to use and understand and will give you high-quality results? If the answer is yes, last on our list, we have Empire State University Thesis Generator. This one will create very accurate answers, no matter what type of paper you need to write. Just like the other apps, you'll have to fill out detailed information before it can generate a report. The questions and information will change depending on which thesis you're working on, but it's a perfect choice for those who are looking to get a clear foundation for their paper. If there's something we can all agree is that using a thesis generator app can simplify the process, save time and energy, and keep you creative. We hope this list gave you the choices you needed to progress. But if you still have doubts about how to write a strong essay, you have our detailed tutorial. Let us know in the comments which one you chose and subscribe for even more lists and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.